So yes, welcome back. So here today we're going to be looking at creating shapes in Figma. So my name is Ayomide and I'm a member of Carrot Designers. So you just come here where my mouse is on this place showing a rectangle shape. You click on it. You could see that we have a number of tools here. We have the line, we have arrow, we have ellipse, we have polygon, we have star, and we have place image. All right, so and they also have their shortcuts. So that's one of the beautiful things about Figma. Just like every design software, you need to know some of these shortcuts. But for beginners, it's still allowed. You move around and what have you. Then we have this line. It's very easy. Just click on L on your mouse. On your keyboard rather. And for that of arrow, it is just Shift plus L. And for ellipse, just click on O. So let's begin with triangle. So if you want to get a perfect triangle, a perfect rectangle rather, just you could see that it's showing you something like a plus sign. So just go anywhere on the canvas and just click on it, and you have a perfect rectangle. So you could edit it, you could adjust as you like, and you can also change the color. Just come to the right hand side here where you have fill. You click on it and you see that we can change it. Same thing as that of the canvas, the Figma canvas. You could actually change the background also by just coming here and just change it to any color of your choice. But for me, I like a dark background. All right, so we could still leave it as sort of white. So let's draw another shape. Let's have our line and same thing. So you see, when drawing it, all right, let me redo it again so that you could see what I did there. So you come here again, you could see that when drawing this, there is a ruler. Figma happens to have an automatic ruler that helps you while drawing a simple line. It helps you to know when you are having a straight line. And you see, so you could zoom in to check if it's really straight, and you see we're having a straight line. And you could increase the size of this line by coming here. You see, it didn't save it as fill, rather it saved it as what stroke. So you can also change the color, right? And the size here, you change it, you can increase, you could see. So anyhow you want it to be. And here, this is just how the starting point looks like. So it is on none. You can have it as an arrow, a triangle head. That's the starting point. And you can also have it like this, a diamond arrow. You can have it this. So let's just pick this. You see now. So that's for the starting. You see, it's actually for the starting. And then for that of the end, you could change it to anything you want. Did you see now? So you could play around it and you see what you have. So let's go to another shape. So we have arrow, the same thing. We can increase it from here. You can still also do the same here too. You see that now we have about 2 ways whereby we could create an arrow. By having we could just have our line. Let's come back here so you see it, and at the end I just change it to arrow, and increase. You see? So very simple. So let's go to another one, ellipse. So the same thing we did for this, just left click on your mouse and that's it. So here too you can change the color, and at the same time to every of these shapes you can add. For rectangle and that of ellipse, you could add stroke to it by just clicking here, and you see we are having something black. You could just add white, or let's just say any color. You can just pick any color. Any color, and you can increase the number of fill, the size of the stroke that you want. You see, we're having more yellow there. So, and you can also delete by coming here to this place of what that is, we're having a minus sign. And you can also add as many strokes as you want by just clicking on this plus. You can add as many as you like and delete them all. So let's go to the next one. We have polygon. See, this looks like more or less like a triangle. So you can do the same, change the color, and that's it. So in placing image, let's just say we pick this. So I'm going to do something now, so you can just actually reduce the size here by coming to the edge of the picture. You can increase. Did you see now? But then I could show you a better way to reduce the size, whereby you see that it retains its proportion. So that's what we're going to be doing in the next tutorial.